Hello everyone, welcome back to Review Everything. Today we will be driving into detailed review of Anker Prime Power Bank of 200 watts. This isn't just any portable charger, it packs a powerful punch with a 20,000 mAh capacity, 3-port design, and a 100-watt charging base. So whether you're an iPhone, Samsung, or MacBook user, this power bank promises to keep you charged and ready to go. Let's get into it. First, let's start with unboxing. Anker has always had a reputation for premium packaging, and the Prime Power Bank is no exception. Inside the box, you will find the power bank itself, the 100-watt charging base, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and some documentations. Everything feels high quality right out of the box. Taking a closer look, the design is sleek and modern. It's compact for the 20,000 mAh power bank, making it perfect for travel or everyday carry. The smart digital display is a standout feature, showing you exactly how much charge is left and the current output. This is incredibly useful for managing your power needs on the go. Now let's talk about the ports. The Anker Prime Power Bank comes with 3 ports, 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. The first USB-C port supports up to 100 watts output, perfect for the charging your MacBook or other high power devices. The second USB-C port offers 45 watts and the USB-A port provides 18 watts. This means you can charge multiple devices continuously without compromising speed. It's compatible with the various devices, including iPhones, MacBooks, Samsung devices, and even Dell laptops and so on. In terms of performances, the Anker Prime Power Bank really shines. I tested it with my iPhone 15 Pro and it went from 0 to 50% in just about 30 minutes. My MacBook Pro charged efficiently as well, and I was able to charge both devices at the same time without any issues. The smart digital display helped me keep track of the remaining power, which is a feature I come to appreciate. One of the unique features of the power bank is the 100-watt charging base. It allows you to recharge the power bank itself on impressive speed. Just place the power bank on the base and you will have it fully charged in no time. This is a game changer for those who need their power bank ready to go quick. And you can carry this power bank on the airplane without any issue. It is under the regulation of the TSA. To wrap it up, the Anker Prime Power Bank 200 watts is an exceptional choice for everyone in need of a reliable, high-capacity portable charger. Its build quality, performance, and smart feature make it a standout product in the market. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or just someone who needs a dependable power source and go, this power bank is worth considering. The link is in the description. If you find this review helpful, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next one.